Well, if you're interested in learning how to install the Coolaroo Sun Shade on your back porch to shade your hot tub or picnic area, lounge area, come and check this out. Well, hello guys, and here this morning on the Rusty Glovebox, what we're going to do today is we're going to install a sunshade in front of our hot tub. And the brand that I'm going to install is a Coolaroo, and it is a sunshade, the wand or hand crank model. And it's really easy to install. I've been looking at the instructions, so let me take you over here and show you what we figured out. Well, the sunscreen that I have, it measures 120 inches wide. The area where it's going to hang is 129 inches wide, and the little mechanism, it requires like 2.5 or 2 3/4 additional clearance. Here's everything that comes in the kit. These are the little bungees, and this will anchor, like in my case, to the brick column and the brick wall, and this will anchor to the bottom of the shade, and you'll latch it in so it doesn't sit there and flap in the wind. This is your crank, and it comes with a bracket and everything like I'd shown you earlier. And this is the other end, and both of these are indexable to where they fit your specific application. You could mount it like that. I'm mounting mine like this. You could use the top or you could use the side. Just depends how your opening is configured. It's going to come with some screws, but I'm going to opt to use a couple of additional screws that are a little longer, catch some wood overhead. And so let's get started on the installation. Here what I did, I used some measurements, and I'm supposed to be like 3 3/8 from the brick. And then I put my holes, marked them off my bracket, and then I went ahead and drilled the holes because that's hardy plank. One of the holes I'm going to be able to hit the support, wooden support overhead there. The other one is going to go into the hardy board, and I used an anchor to support that one. Well, here's bracket 1 that was installed, and what I'll do now is get ready to install the bracket with the crank on it. Well, and this is how I mounted it and spaced it away from that vertical board hanging down off the fascia and soffit and all that. And that way it'll give me plenty of room for it to roll up. Here's the little bungees that you should get in your kit, and they have like little swivels here, little rings already mounted on the shade, and you just spread it open kind of like a keychain and thread it on there. Well, here I have both the bottom anchors installed, and they work really pretty well. You lower your curtain down, hook the ball into the little receiver socket, and then crank it up some to get some tension on that bungee, and it'll do a good job on holding the curtain still. Well, I hope that installation of the Coolaroo sunshade helped somebody along the way. So I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.